Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and we're here again with the best free assets for January-February 2025, and this month actually has one of the largest I've ever seen with 133 different assets, and I've got the full list down in the description for you to check out so you miss out on nothing. And I feature a selection of some of the best ones, whether that's models, editor extensions, shaders, and effects, and everything you'll need to add to your game for absolutely free. So stick around, throw a like on this video, and make sure you're subscribed because it helps the channel out so much. So thank you very much for your time, and do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So the first one, we've got Omni Shader, which is a stylized shader with hundreds of optimizations, even suitable for mobile devices for built-in and URP. This is free for a limited time. I'm not sure when it will end, but be sure to grab it if it's available, because it might really help you out. It allows you to customize all things in its custom shader, from diffuse lighting, rim lighting, reflections, occlusion, normal map, and loads of things in there. Whether you need to create a stylized toon shader or something for anime, it has everything out of the box. Next one is the Brawler Animations Free, and this is a pack of 24 different animations, all for a fighting and combat based style with punches, kicks, walks, and other things involved. We've got a cool one here for URP, which is the Prism Deferred Night Vision, which is exactly as it suggests. It's suitable for Unity 6.2. It uses a diffuse G buffer to reconstruct the image so you can make it look like certain areas are brighter. It has that green hue that you expect with a strong vignette. We've got the Plane Runner 3D game template. This allows you to move up and down, left or right, dodge the obstacles, and adjust your speed to master the challenge with 19 prefabs, a complete demo scene, loads of scripts with customization, and 4 art assets to get you going. We've got one called Drag and Drop. This is a really good way to add drag and drop mechanics in 2D and 3D, which allows you to drag and drop elements to and from containers, even freely with a free look camera, and it will snap to that position. We've got the Guidance Line, which is a tool to create a dynamic line, whether that's for tutorials, for hints, and to help people navigate the level. And this is a really efficient tool to draw the line to where you need the goal to be and show that to the user. We've got 2 assets here from the same developer, and it's called Perfect Pixel Camera and Perfect Pixel Sprite. And the camera is similar to what you expect from Stardew Valley. Sometimes you get some distortion and some shimmering, and this sorts that out so you can remove that effect. And with the Perfect Pixel Sprite, it will reduce visual artifacts and things because it has the right camera setup with its other asset. We've got Imagine VR Pixelation Creator. So this is a nice tool which allows you to add pixelation to a specific object. Whether you need to distort that or maybe make an unlockable in your game, it might be perfect for you. We've got the Flat Style Vehicle Packs, which has got 40 unique vehicles in a low poly style, 5 different variations for each, and a bunch of 16 other unique environmental and building props in this unique style. We've got the Polyized Medieval Desert City with over 284 ready-to-use prefabs across civilian buildings, props, terrain, trees, sky, sea, and post-processing. We've got the Scene Toolkit, which is an editor extension to help you load between different scenes with interesting transitions. Now, it might not be the most beautiful asset that you've ever seen, but it can be a great way to get your own loading scene, to show you how to do this in different ways, to get you going in the best way possible. We've got the Dynamic Photo Camera Mini, which allows you to select areas of the screen to take pictures. Say you're making an investigation game, so you can add descriptions and store metadata and have interactions with these photos too. We've got a useful one, which is always good to have free, which is called the HD Rock Pack Free, which is a bunch of rocks which can be scaled and used with a 2000 texture with collisions ready to be used, and you could use these in a million different places. 500 fantasy pixel art portraits that could be used in any game that you see possible in this style. The last one I'm going to show is the PBR Hospital Horror Pack, which has been around for a long time, since 2017, but they recently updated it to Unity 6, so you can import this in with the new updates. So be sure to check these all out. I'll put each individual one that I've shown here in the description, and I'll put all the links to the full assets, all the sales that you've got for Unity, all the bundles that you can get at the moment, and everything so you can get the most out of Unity and help for your next game. Big thanks to all my patrons, massive thank you to Peter Steiner, Very Shuther, Jennifer, and David for their amazing support, and thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.